If you need to exchange that information, we'll do that after the hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's date is July 14th, 2022. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 28182 in the interest of Creed C. Davis. What says the state?
The state is ready, Your Honor.
Present by audio and video is Callie Davis. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Davis?
Yes.
Also present by audio and video is Christopher Davis. Are you ready to proceed, sir?
Yes.
I understand there's a partial agreement in this matter, Ms. Ware, if you'd care to announce that for the record.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe the parties agree that Mr. Davis should be ordered to provide health insurance through his employer, and that's at a cost of $239.83 per month, which is what he's already doing. The child has dental insurance through a government health plan, so we're not going to order dental insurance. And that based on Mr. Davis's gross income of $2,617.90 and the health insurance cost, his child support should be $402 a month per the Texas Family Code guidelines. I believe the dispute is whether or not that should start in August or September of 2022.
All right. You may call your first witness on that issue.
The state calls Callie Davis.
Ms. Davis, would you raise your right hand, please?
Yes.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, go ahead, Ms. Ware.
Ma'am, please state your name for the record.
Callie Davis.
And you are the mother of Creed Davis, is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
How old is he?
6.
Okay. And you've heard me announce into the record your agreement that Mr. Davis is going to be ordered to provide health insurance through his employer, which is what he's already doing, and that child support should be ordered at $402 per month, correct?
Correct.
And you're requesting that that child support start in what month?
August.
Okay, of 2022?
Yes.
Do you believe that's in the child's best interest?
I do.
Okay. And previous to this, Mr. Davis has not been ordered to pay you monthly child support, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to let the court know that I haven't brought up in this questioning?
Other than that, I haven't received any support since I've had the child in Oklahoma since August of 2018.
Okay. The state passes the witness.
All right. Do you have any questions for her, Mr. Davis?
The only questions I have is like, I'm agreeing to pay the $402 a month.
Tell me your side of the story in just a minute. Do you have a question for her?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ms. Ware, you may call your next witness.
The state calls Christopher Dean Davis.
Mr. Davis, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, would you please state your name?
Christopher Dean Davis.
And you are the father of Creed Davis, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you've heard me announce into the record the agreement that you should be ordered to provide health insurance through your employer, which is what you're already doing, and child support is calculated at $402 per month, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and what month are you requesting that the court order that this child support begin?
September.
Of 2022.
Yes.
Okay, and why are you requesting a start date of September 2022 instead of August?
Because I'll have my car paid off. I got one more payment. I made my payment today. I have one more payment for August and I'm done paying for it. And that's $320 extra that I'll have. I could be able to afford to pay the $402 and, I won't have any problem with it.
Okay. So basically, starting in August would place a financial hardship on you?
Yes.
Okay. The state passes the witness.
Mr. Davis, when did you send Ms. Davis some support for Creed?
Well, the agreement, the original agreement between the two of us was I would let her leave Wilbarger County. and go better her career and move with her boyfriend to Altus and live in a house with him as long as I didn't have any child support. That was the agreement. And I kept him on my insurance from the very get-go. And all I asked from her was that if there was any bills or anything like that, if she used my insurance, then all the bills came to me. Anything that wasn't paid by insurance came to me, and I paid for it all. So anything else that she's griping about, all I asked was give me a paper receipt proving documentation of what the charges were, and I'd give her half. And there was a few times that I would just give her there was only like 3 times that I actually just gave her money. But other than that, I had never given her any money. But I drive all the way to Altus, which is 34 miles. I drive all the way there every other weekend, pick him up. I drive all the way back to drop him off. I've never missed a weekend. I keep him for weeks at a time during the year. And I just started this year keeping him for a whole month. He has his own room here at my house. He has his own clothes, his own toys, everything's provided for him here. And the whole reason why I let her take him was so she could better her career, and the schooling system in Altus is a lot better. And so I chose to sacrifice spending my time with him for her to better her career and for him to be in a better school.
That's been your arrangement for the last 4 years?
Yes.
All right. Well, based on the testimony and evidence before me, I'm ordering the child support to start April 1st of 2022. That means that you will owe for the months of April, May, June, and July, unless you make a July payment. Child support, sir, does not come secondary to car payments. It comes before car payments. And you're very lucky that Ms. Davis has not asked you to pay 4 years of child support from the past. So my ruling is the start date is April 1st of 2022. Ms. Davis, on the health insurance, you can handle it directly if you send a letter to Mr. Davis's insurance company or to the HR department at his employer and say, I want to be the person that handles the insurance payments, but each of you is ordered to pay half of any medical bills not covered by insurance. When Creed has a medical bill, you need to send it to him and write on after insurance pays and write on there, your half is whatever it is, and then let him pay it. And you need to do the same if the medical bills come to you, Mr. Davis. You write on after insurance pays, you send it to her and say your half is whatever the amount is. And get those medical payments started so that each of you pays half. I'm waiving court costs in this matter. Ms. Ware's going to prepare an order for my signature. Is there any other relief I need to address, Ms. Ware?
I don't believe so, Your Honor,
I
no.
have a question.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So on the original order, there was a medical bill brought up in court that he was owed to pay half of that he has yet to pay half of still. It was $1,800.
You need to send that to him
Okay.
and have some verification that you send it to him, and then the AG's office can file to have him reimburse that.
Okay.
All right. And same thing for you, Mr. Davis. If you have medical bills for Creed that she hasn't paid her half, you need to send them to her so she's aware of them and then ask her to pay her half.
Okay, can I ask for, so since I'm paying for the child support and all that, so is she to meet me halfway from now on?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We're not addressing visitation today.
Okay,
In fact, by law, I'm forbidden to address visitation.
so does that come out of my child support? The gas are going and picking him up and taking him back every,
No, sir.
okay.
All right, Ms. Ware's going to prepare that order for my signature. I'm going to sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd in Wilbarger County, and he's the district judge. He would hear from you both again and make his own decision. If nobody files within the next 3 days for that new trial, this order that I've made today starts to become final, and you'll get a copy in the mail in about 2 weeks or so. If you don't get one, please call the AG's office in Wichita Falls and just remind them to send it to you, okay? Good
Yes,
luck
ma'am.
to you all into Creed 2.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye.